guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will know how to make sweet corn curry at home. So let's start. For this we need sweet corns. I have taken here 2 packets of them. Wash them and put them in a container. We will let them to boil for 10 minutes in medium temperature. The sweet corns are boiled now and we will put them aside. For curry we need finely chopped onion, grinded tomato and green garlic. First of all we need a cauldron, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. I am using here mustard oil. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin to the oil. Stir fry for almost 1 minute in medium flame. Now add the chopped onion to the oil. Stir fry until they become golden brown. After that, add the green garlic to the mixture. Then mix all these nicely. Add 4 or 5 green chillies. Stir fry them for almost 2 minutes. After that, add the grinded tomato to the mixture. Then mix them nicely for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. Mix all these nicely. A little amount of black pepper powder. Again mix all these until the mixture becomes sticky. Now add these sweet corns to the mixture. Then mix all these for 2 minutes. Add 2 glasses of water. Mix them round and round. Then cover the cauldron for some time until the curry becomes half. After 15 minutes you can see the consistency of the curry. So our sweet corn curry is ready to serve.